Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Yes, so I want to thank everyone, you understand, that give me a lot of views on Big Dog's video. You understand, in less than 8 days, 1 million views. You understand, so big respect to all of my subscribers and the viewers and everyone that comment. You understand, peace and love. You understand? Yes, big up yourself and stay safe out there in the world. Thank you very much again. 1 million views over here. And I just start, bro. Like, it's not my first time doing this, but it's my first time reacting to all of these hits. You understand? Big up on yourself again. You understand? Big up, big up. Okay, so this one, Spice, a dancehall artist. She's a female named Spice. You understand? One Spice and I people in place now, not three. Okay, so Spice ex-boyfriend popped the balloon. Let's see if it's real, guys. But first, before we get right into this one, subscribe. See that? Big up, everybody.
So, waiting.
Bro, so you're telling me Spice do not love anyone? Chano. I guess her favorite color, guys, is blue.
Damn, so you don't like nobody?
Bro, is that a short guy, bro? Like, where's that short guy going? This one seems epic.
How are you guys doing today? Good. Yes. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So, welcome to Spice's ex-boyfriend. She is now looking for her next boyfriend. We'll see which one of you guys have the potential to be that lucky guy. Are you ready?
Let's do it.
Okay.
All right.
Alright guys, so
Bro, it seems like to date this female, bro, you have to be lucky, bro. You understand? You know Spice already. If you don't know, check her out.
this is the lovely Spice.
Oh, we have a Jamaican. Oh, okay. I like that. We got
You
one
make it
Jamaican.
obvious as well.
Sincere? Okay. How old are you, Sincere?
34.
34. Alright. And you? Kari?
One of them really want Spice.
Walter? How old are you, Walter?
24.
24. How old are you?
I'm believe that. 33. Age.
33. Okay. What's your name?
Nishan.
Nation?
Yeah.
Okay, Nation. How old are you?
30.
Okay. And who we have here?
My name is Nigel.
Bro, where is this guy going, bro? Like, first thing, Spice going to want a guy to lift her up, bro. You understand? Like, yo, what if even Spice choose this one? It's gonna be a big... Yeah. Guys, subscribe right now.
Nigel.
Yes.
How old are you, Nigel?
You're old man, Spice. 44.
With a Jamaican accent. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Luke.
Okay, Luke. How old are you, Luke?
I'm 31 years old.
31. Okay. And you?
Libra.
I'm sorry?
Libra.
Libra.
Yeah.
Okay. How old are you?
31 years old.
And Libra too?
Bro, and you see, bro, the short guy is the oldest right there, bro. Yo, Jano.
Libra's the name I go by.
Oh, okay. Tell me something about yourself that you think, you know, Spice will really find you interesting. Oh.
Where? No, we were serious though. You really packing for you? I want to see. I want to see. Well, let's go.
Bro, you say, bro, what is going on, bro? What is gonna happen? Bro, like Spice is really serious about anything right now, bro. Like you say you got it, bro. You have to be honest right there on the spot. You understand? Like, guys, if you're gonna be on the spot, comment if you're gonna be on the spot, bro.
A few moments later.
Bro, this is cap, bro. Like, ain't no way. Like, if you do that, you won't come out and just fix up yourself like that, bro. Trust me.
Give respect to get respect. Now I got another ex-boyfriend. I need another next boyfriend.
Bro, for me right there, bro, my balloon is going to pop. Right on that. Bro, my balloon is going to pop, bro. Ain't no female going to look at the next man. You understand? Going to look at the next man and then just walking back, bro. I don't care how big you is. My balloon have to pop, bro. I'm gonna sell my balloon, give it away, or something.
What did you say your name is? Nation.
Yeah.
Where you from?
Rochester, New York.
Oh. You have a girlfriend?
Nah, I ain't got no girl.
How many kids you got?
10.
You got 10 kids? She told you it was a daycare here? You never tell us what. Did she tell you what it is you're coming for? How many baby mama you got? No.
6. No. 10 kids with 6 baby mother.
Luke, where are you from?
I'm from right here in Atlanta.
Bro, I could swear she go over like to the short guy and look where you. Yo. That guy's so short, bro. Like, yo.
From Atlanta, that's so good. Do you know how to cook?
Oh, I can cook. I can cook.
What can you cook?
Italian food. I can cook delicious tofu steaks. Anything really.
I eat oxtail. You know, if you cook ackee and saltfish, dumpling and banana, you can boil like dumpling and banana.
Oh, I like Jamaican food, but I'm vegan. I can't do oxtail.
I love oxtail and jerk chicken, Luke. Oh, we're gonna go eat together. We can't even go out on a date.
We can do veggie patty.
You should have just went with ackee and saltfish, my brother.
And what is your name?
My name is Nigel.
You're Niger. I like your name.
I like your name too.
Niger, see, I don't wanna judge you because, you know, sometimes looks are deceiving. But let me just tell you the truth. I like when my man can pick me up off of the ground and walk with me around the room. I like have sex all over the room. You know them stuff? I like to be all over the room.
You want to hold my balloon?
Bro, you see Spice like to be all over the room, bro. So let's see if this guy can pick up Spice.
Okay, how you want me to pick you up? You like
You can lift me up?
2 ways.
Bro, he's 40, bro.
Ooh!
2 ways.
Oh! Ah!
Bro, at least if the balloon pop, bro, at least he touch her. That's all I can say.
I like. Oh. Okay, I like that. Nigel, where would you take me on the first date?
Anywhere you want to go.
Like where? Tell me. What would be a?
Second chance at the first impression, so it's gonna be beautiful for both of us.
All right, you're gonna keep your balloon for the second round. I like Nigel. What about you? What's your name again?
Walter.
Walter. He was a little too young for me, I think. But
Yeah.
you are how old are you?
24.
Yeah, you're a bit too young.
AJ nothing but a number.
Ooh. Can I see you without your shirt on?
Sure. Can you hold this?
All right, not bad. You can keep your balloon. What's 25% of 2.5 million?
Whoa. Just put me on the spot like that with the math?
Yeah, I like a numbers man.
Oh, I'm not a numbers man.
Oh wow.
Shit.
What about you? I love the color blue. You know that, but I just ate your earring.
Why you hate my earring?
I don't
the
know.
world I carried on my shoulder.
It's the world. Oh gosh, I'm already have a lot on my shoulder, but I'm gonna give you a chance. But I hate your earring. Which part of Jamaica you come from?
I'm really from Philly, but all my family from.
Oh, so you lying then? You fake?
I'm not fake.
So oh yeah, talk like you come from Jamaica.
Go there all the time.
You look like a cheater. You gonna lie to me? What about you?
What about me?
Where you from?
From the Bronx, New York.
You look like a cheater.
I don't cheat.
You've never cheated before?
I wouldn't call it cheating.
They say all men cheat though.
I say sometimes people lie.
Open your mouth. Why you laugh?
Cause we ain't man enough to open their mouth.
Why?
I don't know how I was raised.
I want to
Yeah,
come close
yeah,
to you when
Bono.
you open it. Open it again.
Oh, that's different.
Not bad.
Oh,
like poly
Spice wanna
relationship?
smell his mouth.
Yeah, for you, I'd do anything.
So if I want to be in a relationship with me and you and I have another girl, you're into that?
Yeah, why not?
I just ask you if you like cheating. You like multiple women.
I want to go on, bro. Hey, in Bina, bro, you have to smart around this female, bro. You understand? You have to smart, bro.
You don't like that he has a balloon?
I'm not saying no, but maybe
I-
you want to know
Bro,
some more.
like,
I know. I was open to try. 'cause,
literally,
you know, I've
bro,
never
Spice
dated,
not
like,
the, she's not gonna disrespect the short guy, bro. She wanna pop it. If he was tall, she would pop it. To be honest, you understand?
But he looks fun. That's why I was like, and he's cute.
Thank you.
But I have to ask you one more question. I'm just so interested to know what our sex life would be like.
Interesting. Very
You just
tasty.
picked me up. You said tasty?
Very tasty.
Ooh,
Oxtail off your toes.
ooh,
I can saltfish off your pom pom.
ooh.
Maybe some dumplings off your boom boom. Yeah.
Oh shit.
It depends on what you want.
Oh, so you freaky?
No, burn up, fire. Why? Burn up. People with comment. Hey, jeez, burn up. No, I can't selfish pan. What? We come. Hey, Poppy Balloon, Spice and Bossy. You understand, guys? Don't do that. You understand? People, subscribe right now. Subscribe right now. You understand? The vibes gets real channel right now. Subscribe. People, and follow me right over here and one code music. You understand? Yes, you will hear Spice music over there as well. Okay? Why youth?
Explain what our sex life would be. I want to hear more.
Yeah, man, explain.
Explain.
Burn up.
Explain it more in
Watch
detail.
it. More than you can hear me.
Ooh, ooh.
What do you feel about that?
Oh, so you very freaky.
I need to see your freak so I can match your level.
Oh,
Do you mind?
oh.
That's just the beginning.
Oh.
What you got to offer?
Bro, Spice knows
Spice.
she's gonna get the views,
You gonna
bro.
give me
So
heartburn?
Spice, allow him to do that, bro. Yo, this guy's capping.
What you think? Do I
Tell
need
me more.
Pepto-Bismol messing with you?
Tell me more. Ooh. Oh shit! What the He's spicy.
Yo.
Not like you though. Teach me. Me see something down there.
We at there.
Yeah. Point it out.
What you see?
A lot.
No, it looks like I shot my girlfriend. Ooh.
Listen. Pop my balloon so I can pop you.
Tell me more.
What do you like? What freaky thing do you like? Tell me.
You making me scared. Like you too.
Don't be scared.
You too freaky for me. You too freaky for me. I'm not really freaky. I'm like a Christian little girl. Like I like, you know, grandma, grandpa, let's lay there, and I don't like no freaky stuff.
Okay. Get married, baby.
I like his look and everything. I like that he's tall and he looks, you know. I didn't like what I see.
No.
It's cold in here though. Like AC on Jack Frost, it's a baby leg. I'm telling you, I'm a grower, not a shower.
No, I like a shower. I'm sorry.
Let me show you when to get.
You just did. And you say it was cold.
Would it warm up?
When it-
You got one chance.
No.
Gotta do it.
No.
All right, so what made you pocket?
He was a little bit too young for me.
Okay.
Very handsome. I think he's gonna cheat because he's too young. So you know him not really grew up yet. He's gonna wanna, you know, live his little life a little bit. I don't have time for that. I just feel like he's too young.
Okay. And what about him?
Oh, he's the crazy earring. I didn't like his earring.
Again, you thought I was a cheater, man. I was never.
And he just looked like a Jinner. He look like a cheater for me. Look funny. I
My
gave him a
wife was
thought.
cool with me
Jamaican.
coming here. She was cool with
Him
me
tricked me at
coming
first. He made me think him come from Jamaica, and
Yo,
then him say him come from New
Jano.
York. You know my Jinner. Him start talk Jamaican, and then him see him
Yeah,
say I
man.
feel. See him don't know where he come from. Him just look like a Jinner. He was too much for me.
So what? Your parents are from Jamaica?
Yeah, both of them.
Oh,
Okay.
imagine now.
Yeah, he's a
Imagine.
Yankee. He's a Yankee.
He might go cheat on me.
What about him?
Baby mother, they my problem. This about too much baby mother for me. Huh? You say you have 10 baby mama and 10.
Baby mama
6.
number 11, 39 plates of food a day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can't cook that. They all got.
Are you joking? Or are you serious? You want me for be baby mother number 11?
Yeah, breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
10
Me
baby
and the
mother.
kids. You know?
Question.
They all got
How
direct
do you feel
deposit.
about somebody that has kids?
I mean,
You want to take care of somebody else's kids too? With your 10?
You have
Yeah.
10 kids with 10 baby mama.
yeah, I mean.
He don't even look like he paying child support. He
I
look
just
like
get, they all just got direct deposit on the first.
Let me see.
Look, authorized, straight from Delta Community.
Short,
See?
bro, short man,
I
bro.
don't want to be baby mama number 11. I'm sorry. Yeah.
I didn't have my
I don't want it to. And then for him, he was funny. I feel like I would have a lot of fun with him, but him too freaky.
It's no punch.
Him too freaky for me. Him sex life does sound extra spicy. Him too freaky.
That's the word.
She's a Jamaican woman. She's a yard woman.
It's too
They're not that freaky.
How many picking you out?
I have 2 kids.
Oh, okay. We can have
You?
one.
How many kids do you have?
Two boys.
Oh, that would be a perfect 4, yeah, but you're too freaky for me.
A vegan.
Yeah. I feel like we couldn't go on a date. I feel like we wouldn't even understand each other because you're vegan. I mean, like oxtail and them something there. So I don't know if we would be compatible when we go out. How would we choose our restaurant? It's gonna be too much for us to kind of, you know. And then you know what?
Look, it's true we can't eat together, but we could spend our time eating each other.
Ooh.
Why? Burn up. Bro, what this, bro? John no star, bro. Like, I'm gonna even expect that as well. Why youth burn up fire? Why? As a man's octopus. Yes. Burn up you. No say that. No do that, youth. Do not do that.
Like that. We could have. You could. It could be a one-hand relationship. You could eat me. So. I like that. And then in all honesty, you know, I'm the queen of dancehall, so I'm big on like dancing. I like going to parties and dance. And you know, just to be fair, in all honesty, they say Caucasian, like, you know, they don't know how to move on the rhythm.
Oh, you don't think I have rhythm? Look.
Let me see. Play the rhythm. Play the music. Well, Levi. No, them say you don't have no rhythm.
Bro,
no,
what
I
is
don't-
gonna do, bro? Some
It's a lot. Ooh, play the rhythm. Let me see if him. Come out here, so let me see. Whoa. Okay, let's see.
Why do men give us this feeling? I'm really not sure. You say you want trust, but you do some things to make me
Bro, this guy look like a game, bro. Like, yo, what is he doing, bro? Like, you're not even trying. You understand?
sure. I'm confident in myself, but the thoughts that you put in my head make me feel insecure. Why, oh, why, oh, why? You wanted me, you got me, then you turn around and now you lost me. Now sit down in a no man misery, no boy can disrespect me. Before we start dating,
What
tell
is he
you
doing, bro?
You can dance in
Bro,
that
this
for
is
me.
the queen, bro. Like, you're dancing with the queen, bro. Like, we have to do something better.
Ooh. So you gotta beat. No, make it dance. Yeah. Ooh. That was that was good. You can cut it. Thank you. That was good though. You have a little rhythm.
A little bit.
It's better than I thought. We could have fun. It was okay.
Show you a lot of things you wouldn't expect.
Okay. Interesting. And then this one, I tricked him into the question.
Yeah,
He's definitely a cheater, so it's a no for me. In all honesty, you guys are great. Thank you for coming, but I'm definitely gonna need a next boyfriend. It's a no for me.
now I got another ex-boyfriend. I need another next boyfriend. I got another ex-boyfriend. I got another
Bro, this seems like cap, bro. Like they're just acting, bro. You understand? I understand the fact that this balloon thing is going viral, bro. But there's no one like really serious, like serious, bro. This is like a series, bro. No one us. You understand? No one, no one us, bro. No one serious. You understand? To find love. Everyone just came on the show, pop, you know? Just popping balloon and capping balloon, you understand, guys? But guys, I am serious and we know we are serious right here. You guys reach the end of the video. This is the queen herself, dancehall queen to be exact. Spice. She need another boyfriend, you understand? Yes, Spice. Good luck on that one. You understand? Because good luck on that one. Guys, subscribe right now. Big respect to all of my subscribers. Big up on the channel. You understand? And people, you see my fresh cut? Looking neat. Hey, here by Lex. You understand? Her page is right here. Go to her. You understand? She will give you the exclusive haircut. Make you look spontaneous for your date. Guys, if you cut your hair there, bro, like you will find a girl same time. No girl will pop their balloon. Look at me. If I'm right there right now, no Spice will not pop her balloon. Female, no guy would pop their balloon once you go to Here by Lex. She's the best in Canada. Right now, best believe. Fresh Here by Lex. Check her out. You understand? People, I'm out.